Hi beauties, it's me Evie and I'm back with Boxycharm by Ipsy. I can't wait to jump in it. So you get your little magazine. So there is that. And as you know, the Boxycharm by Ipsy is 5 full-size items. So the box is always so good. You get your little product information and then you just can go right in to the products. So we have by African Botanics Mineral Cleansing Mask, and you just, after cleansing and exfoliating, apply a thin layer to clean skin using fingertips. And you use it for 5 to 15 minutes. And then you work it off with warm water. So I can't wait to use that. I love a good cleansing mask. I'll let you know what it smells like in just a second. Oh, it smells, okay, it smells very floral, very aged smell. So then we have some rose and quartz muse mask. So we have another mask. This one is hydrating silicone free treatment. If I can get it open. Ooh, this one smells really sweet. I like that. And it's like that fluff type of texture. Ooh, that looks so good to put on. This is for your hair. It is rose and quartz muse mask, hydrating silicone free treatment. That's for your hair. It creates lush soft locks with your daily weightless mask. Begin with a quarter size amount and apply 1 inch from the roots to tip. Massage gently. Clip up away from water. Repeat loving affirmations for 5 minutes. Rinse off but not out with cool water. Safe for color and chemically treated hair. Wigs, extensions for all hair types. Essential for fine and thin dry hair. Okay. Oh man. That smells so good. It smells so sweet. I am all about needing something for my hair. So that will definitely be going in my regimen ASAP. Now we have something from Pear Nova. It is a liquid liner. You can do all kinds of lines with this. There you go. I know it's a little, that's not a wing, by the way. It's just a line. I do know how to draw a wing. That looks like it would be something that I could use for sure. I need to get into using more of my skills with a liner. So that would be definitely something I could practice with. The next thing we have is from Volution. So this is an overnight retinol treatment. And it said, apply to entire face after cleaning, cleansing. Gradually build up to everyday use. Use SPF protection during the day as retinol may increase skin sensitivity to the sun. So just start out every other day using this. I'm guessing you use it just in the morning. It says grape seeds discarded during white wine production held the key to younger looking skin. What if? It's supposed to minimize appearance of lines and wrinkles. hydrate and plumps, makes the skin look firmer, helps the skin be protected, and soothes the appearance of surface redness. Boy, I need that for sure. So there is that. Let's just take a look at it. It's a nice little white product, a cute little pump bottle. And then the fifth item is a beautiful palette, and this one is from Laura Geller. I think it was a blush. I think it was a blush I had from this brand, and I absolutely loved it. So excited to see what this palette is all about. This packaging is really beautiful. It says this is a seasonless staple. Wildflower Wishes eyeshadow palette. Oh, these are really pretty. Really, really pretty. These are the colors. I'm gonna put Aster on my eye. You know, if you can do something with your finger, then it's gonna work out, right? We're gonna go in with Cosmo. I'm just gonna go in with the Vena to make a little bit of darker crease. Yeah, a little bit of poppy to brighten up the look. And there you go, a light little summer look. And there you go, a little bit of a summer eye look. Very natural, very easy to put together. So thank you for coming and sharing my Boxycharm with me. I'm going to put a code at the end, and it will be also in the information area. So I'm going to put my code in the information section and maybe right here so that you can use my code. It would really help me out. If you've never tried Boxycharm by Ipsy, this is a great time to do it. Get ready for the new season that's coming in, and love the summer products that you get this month. So from my hair to my eyes, we thank you, Boxycharm by Ipsy, and we hope to see you next time checking us out. Until then, you're loved.